Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a single rose bouquet. So you need a rose, a scissors, a ribbon, and a stapler. The stapler is optional. Then you put the rose in the middle of your wrapping paper. Then you fold equally on both ends. Then you take another side of the wrapping paper, fold it again. Then after doing that, then double fold again and squeeze in the middle, not so much but a little tight in a way that you can wrap your ribbon around it. Then once you are done, you tie in a bow. I was about tying it wrong, then I remembered I was supposed to do a bow, so I tied it in a bow form. Then I used my scissors to make some curls just to give it more beauty. So that was what I was doing with the scissors here, and voila, that's how you make a single rose bouquet. Very simple. I stapled the bouquet here, but it's not necessary because without it will stay. But if you want it extremely flat, you can do that. Then you can also use a glue dot if you want. I'm going to be showing you another video where I wrapped another rose without stapling it. So yeah, I used a different wrapper just to make the rose pop. So did the same thing, wrap equally on both sides, then wrap again, then the last turn and squeeze it in the middle. Then after doing that, I used my ribbon to tie, just like I did in the previous one, into a bow. This rose is longer, that's why I had to bend it. It's a longer stem, so that's why I had to bend it initially. Then I curled my ribbon as usual. Then as you can see, it came out so nice. No need to staple. And even if you want to maybe ensure the paper sticks together, you can use glue dots. And that's it. That's how I came up with all these other roses for Valentine. And isn't this beautiful? So lovely, don't you think? So next time you can do this yourself. If you find this very helpful, you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on post notification. Till next time, bye.